Have you ever wondered how a simple snack can influence your body's balance? Sunflower seeds, often overlooked, are packed with phytoestrogens and essential fatty acids that help regulate hormonal fluctuations. With a rich source of vitamin E and selenium, they support reproductive health and manage symptoms of menopause and PMS. Incorporating these seeds into daily diets, such as salads or smoothies, offers a natural way to enhance hormone health. As research reveals more about these seeds' potent benefits, their role as a natural hormone helper becomes clear, a small yet powerful ally in promoting well-being.